Hello friends, welcome to our latest video. So if you are new here, kindly like, share and subscribe our channel. Designing a small seating area in a garden with an amazing view can be a delightful way to create a peaceful retreat. Start by selecting comfortable seating that complements the garden's style. Consider compact, stylish options like a small bistro table and chairs or a cozy bench. Choose materials that withstand the weather while adding a touch of elegance, such as wrought iron or teak. Place your seating area strategically to take full advantage of the view. Position it where the view is most captivating, perhaps at the edge of the garden or on a raised platform for an elevated perspective. Incorporate soft cushions and throws to enhance comfort and add color. Opt for outdoor fabrics that are durable and easy to clean. To further improve the ambiance, add a small table for holding drinks or snacks. Decorate with potted plants or hanging baskets to infuse the space with greenery and flowers. Select plants that are low maintenance yet visually appealing, like succulents, geraniums, or lavender. Consider installing a trellis or lattice covered in climbing vines to create a sense of enclosure and privacy while adding visual interest. For lighting, use string lights or lanterns to create a warm and inviting atmosphere in the evening. Solar-powered lights are a practical choice, providing illumination without the need for wiring. A small outdoor rug can tie the space together. Adding a touch of warmth and defining the seating area. Use weather-resistant materials to ensure durability. Enhance the view with reflective elements like mirrors or decorative water features. A small fountain or bird bath can add a calming sound and attract wildlife, enhancing the overall experience. If you have space, consider incorporating a small fire pit for warmth and ambiance on cooler evenings. Ensure the fire pit is safe and complies with local regulations. For a personal touch, add decorative elements like wind chimes, garden statues, or a small outdoor art piece. Choose items that resonate with your taste and blend well with the natural surroundings. If you enjoy dining outdoors, a small grill or portable burner can be a great addition for preparing meals. Maintain the area by regularly checking the condition of the furniture, plants, and decor. With these simple design ideas, you can transform your small garden seating area into a charming retreat that makes the most of your garden's amazing view.